So hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and my name is Chitdimma. And in today's video I will be showing you guys how I blow dry my hair and the products that I use to blow dry my hair. So to just chip in, I don't always blow dry my hair, but I do when I'm trying to get certain hairstyles or I'm trying to make it easier to work with my hair for a particular reason. So for today I'll be using this leave-in conditioner by Kakiva and a hair cream. It's really messy inside. I've had it for a while and I made it at home with my friend. I have a video on how this hair butter was made. It's quite hot over here, so it really begins to melt after a while. And then this is a neem and I think this is neem and ashwagandha oil I also made at home. So this is all I've been using, and then just a little comb of my hair. Has a lot of hair in it at the moment, and any blow dryer of your choice. And you also need mouthpiece. You could use the comb one or this type for it. So without talking too much, let's just get straight into the video.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think
so my hair is a bit messy because I did have my wash day the night before and deep condition my hair. So today my hair is a bit messy basically, and like that's of a mad woman, but yeah, we would still work with this. And like I said, I don't want to use water, so let me stop talking too much and let's just start. So I decided to just blow dry out this part without um stretching it out with the bobby wool, baby wool, whatever this wool is. I've had this wool for I think a year plus. I can't remember what I bought. So to see what the difference is like, and this is what it looks like when you tie it up, and this is what it looks like when you just blow dry it. So it doesn't really get to its full length, and I don't really carry out my blow dry hair alone, so I think that's something else I need to start doing. And yeah, so let's just get here tied up too and come to the end of this video.